1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock. Rock tonight, put your glad rags on. Join me home, we'll have some fun. When the clock strikes 1, we're gonna rock around.
Well, good morning, folks. Friday, Friday, I don't know what day it is. We survived the snow. We've been plowing all morning. We're gonna take this old Blazer out and do alignment on it. Still got to plow the north shop. I plowed it twice last night in it. It's not bad though. We didn't get near as much snow as what they were predicting. Weather guys, hell, they get paid if they're right or wrong. I wish I could get a job like that. Lick my finger and stick it in the air and go, hey, it's gonna rain today. But anyhow, it still snowed. So we're going out here to the north shop, do alignment on this old Blazer. Just some of the snow you see around town. Not much. 5, 6 inches all we got. But we even drove around out in the country last night. It wasn't bad. It didn't drift too bad. It is what it is. So we got the old new Polaris out and we plowed to about 10, 20, something like that. I did get snowblower out. Hell, I ain't started that thing in 2 years. It took about an hour to get it started. But it still runs and it still works. Holy shit, look at that big old wave. Shrink. But we'll try to find something to do a video on for y'all. Appreciate y'all watching my videos. I'll try to do the same. But it is a little sloppy out. Not bad though. The way it looks like snow will melt a lot of it off the streets. So, could have lined this yesterday, but shit, I didn't want to drag everything out in the snow and bucket. I decided to do it today. I already plowed this a couple times last night. As long as the wind don't blow, it's not bad. The wind blows, it'll start drifting real bad. But, well, let's put this thing up for now and fire up the El Camino and pull it out. Throw some wood on the fire and get to work.